By holding the deck in a straddle grip like so, and break a small packet. Keep this packet relatively smaller, and now you're going to break 2 more packets like so. And now you're going to contact this middle packet on your left pinky and your thumb on top and strip this packet like so. So you're holding this packet in a scissor cut, and now you're going to regrip the center packet by placing your right middle over here. So you're pinching it on top, and at the same time you're going to reach, basically twist this packet like so, the center packet, till it contacts your thumb over here. So this packet is the 7 of hearts packet, is you're holding it like so. It's contacting, this end is with your left thumb, and over here you're pinching it like so. And what you're going to do now is you're going to do a scissor cut, okay? So before you do the scissor cut, you're basically going to you're basically switching from thumb to your middle and using your right index to slide this packet up, and now do the scissor cut. So now you're in this position, okay? Now you're going to push this packet that's in a V kind of position, this Queen of Hearts and 7 of Hearts packet, like so, across this packet. And then you're clipping the 7 of Hearts packet between your thumb, your right index and middle, and you're going to allow this packet to remain on top and slide this packet, this Queen of Hearts packet, out by pulling it with your thumb and index, and make sure to keep this packet at its position. Don't allow it to slide out along with this one, okay? Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to push this packet with your index against your palm, the base of your palm, like so, and you're going to clip this packet from this end with your right middle, and at the same time move your right index so it reaches over here. So now you're holding this packet like so, you're clipping it like so at the very end. Like I mentioned earlier, to keep this packet thin, this is the same packet that I mentioned earlier that you're going to keep thin, so it's easier to clip. Now once you've clipped it, you're now going to slide this packet underneath and over. So before you completely get right over here, what you're going to do is use your left thumb and push this packet so you close it, okay? Now you have space over here. You're going to slide this packet like so till you get over here, and from this angle, this packet over here, you're going to push it with your fingers so it lands straight, and now you're in a charlier cut position, and now you can close. Now I'll do a quick over walkthrough of it, keeping this packet thin.